Good freaking morning, you guys. Good morning. I bought a bunch of ginger from the grocery store because I wanted to make ginger shots on the regular, just because they're really great at not only settling your stomach if you happen to be hungover from a crazy weekend like me. I just really want to get my immunity back on track. It's also great for anti-inflammatory properties. And I'm also going to throw in lemon. So I'm going to juice this in my juicer. I'll leave my juicer linked down below because I love this thing. It's pretty affordable and it comes in clutch. And voila, guys, that is my ginger shot. It's like a double shot, maybe a triple shot. There's a lot of liquid in here, but I definitely wanted to start my day out super healthy, just kind of kick everything into high gear and detoxify a little bit so I can feel the best that I can, of course, with drinking lots of water today. So cheers, because health is wealth. Let's go. I also like to start my days out, like my mornings, with productive music. You guys, I have so many freaking playlists on my Spotify. Links are down below. So I think I'm gonna hit you guys with the productivity today. Throw that beast on shuffle. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the juicer, make my coffee, pick up stuff around the apartment, and then I'll come and check back in with you guys. So check out all my playlists on Spotify. I just finished cleaning up the kitchen. I washed the juicer and all that good stuff. And I filled up my oil diffuser. So I like to diffuse oils as well when the kitchen is clean. It just makes everything smell so fresh. So today I'm gonna do a little combo of my favorites, which is the sweet orange. I feel like I diffuse that every morning. It's just very like invigorating because it's like a citrus, right? So I feel like it just really wakes my body up. So I'm gonna mix that with some frankincense, which has cleansing properties. So hopefully these will smell good together. I've never mixed them together before, but you only need a few drops because this thing puts out a lot of vapor, I guess is what it is. Ooh, excuse me, sir. Open it. Oh, I love Taku. It's on the playlist right now. And I'll just set it for 6 hours and then it will turn off by itself. But already I can smell the orange. It smells so nice. Just look how relaxing that is. Anywho, I'm gonna show you guys my morning coffee, what I do to make it taste poppin'. Even though I kind of showed this already, I think you guys got a little bit confused when I was talking about maca. I guess some of you thought I said matcha, which they're two different things. Maca powder is superfood. Okay, matcha is like a form of green tea. I actually have a matcha, which I've never tried this one. This was sent to me from PR by this brand. I also have this mushroom sample pack as well that was sent out from, I think Laura Geller included that in one of her PR packages. But I'm so nervous to try this specific one because it's made with mushroom and I just don't know how I feel about that. And also, look, it says lion's mane. I don't know. I just don't know. So that's been chilling here. Maybe one day we'll get to that and do a taste test, but right now I'm gonna stick to my coffee. So I've just warmed up some almond milk in this super cute mug from Target. So don't mind this, I just did dishes. Turn the Nespresso on for a second. So this is the maca powder. 97% of the time you will find what I talk about in the down bar. So just to avoid all of the comments asking, where can I get this? Where'd you get that? Read the down bar first and you'll probably find your answer. So these are two different colors because I bought two different brands of maca, but they're the same thing essentially. See that thing? It likes to drip 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 and I don't like that. It's so messy. But this is amazing. You guys know, I'm sure you've heard from all of your favorite YouTubers how amazing maca is for you. I keep it out because I have to remind myself to drink it every day, either in a smoothie form or in my coffee, which is what I'm gonna do today to get it in so I don't have to think about it. My pantry is a mess. A hot mess, but I know where everything is. So I keep my pods in here. Also, I need to stock up on all the superfoods. Do you guys want a pantry tour one day? I'm feeling that vibe, like not healthy. Healthy. Let me know. So I'm gonna grab a pod. All my capsules are the same. I definitely need to go pick up some more from the Nespresso store. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and make this Nespresso shot. Okay. I'm a mess before caffeine. I drop everything. I'll even link my Nespresso machine down below because they don't make these anymore, the specific model that I have. So I'm just going to do 1 shot of Nespresso, and then this is like a cup of almond milk, okay? Oh yeah, that's like a hot tub of deliciousness. And here's my little coffee spread. I don't add sugar into my lattes because I use sweetened almond milk. So if you guys like using cream and sugar, then do your thing, but we're dairy free out in these streets. So I'm gonna add a small scoop of maca. Honestly, a little bit goes a long way. I feel like if you put too much, like even that might be a little too much. It's just gonna taste weird. Your drink is gonna be very clunky and like not nice. So don't overdo it. So I just do a little spoonful. And then what I really like adding is nutmeg. Okay, so last time I told you guys I just did cinnamon. Well, now I do cinnamon and nutmeg. It just adds more of like a nutty kind of fall flavor. Like if you wanted to do pumpkin pie spice, you can, but I'm not really down for the pumpkin life. So nutmeg and cinnamon are like my go-to. I feel like it complements the maca and it kind of covers it up so you don't taste it. And like I said before, when I started doing this, like it was just an acquired taste, and I just honestly, it took me like 3 or 4 days to really get used to the taste. Now I finally feel like my body, my taste buds are used to it. So I'm gonna add some cinnamon to that. A little bit goes a long way. And this is just like my morning routine now. Make my little latte, mix that thing up because you don't want any chunks of maca in your coffee. And it's good that this is hot because it melts the maca powder. I mean, you could do this iced. I've never tried it iced. I don't really think it would be good because I couldn't imagine the powder dissolving. Oh yeah, it's the nutmeg. You guys have to try it with the nutmeg. But anyways, maca, again, I'll let you guys know. I mean, you could research this on your own and find out more than I can tell you within this video because I research things all of the time when I'm interested in them. Yellow maca is great for women. It's amazing at balancing out your hormones if you have hormonal acne. It's definitely helped me and my skin, so I can tell you guys firsthand. That's why I like taking this every day. But the thing is, you have to be consistent with it every day because I feel like once it's in your system, okay, it's going to be gone the next day, kind of like vitamin C. So you have to be consistent with it. You can't just take it one day and hope that everything's going to be so great. So consistency is key. I've been taking it in my coffee, I want to say for the past 2 weeks, a week and a half to 2 weeks straight every single day. And also one thing to note, which is kind of cool since I'm working out and I'm all about the booty gains, maca, yellow maca, is known to give your body some curves in those areas that you might be lacking in, like me in the booty department. So this, I can't really tell you if it's working or not because I do work out a lot, but it can't hurt. Yo girl is dressed and ready for her workout. I'm wearing a cute matching set. Probably gonna take my top off, my shirt off while I'm at the trails because it's supposed to be like high 80s today, which I am so excited. Finally a hot sunny day that feels like summer because it's been so gloomy here. So my top is from Nike, and then I have this cute 2-piece matching set. Yes, the legs is out. Your girl is trying to get some tan today. Cute set is from Adore Me. I don't think they sell this anymore because I got it like last summer, but I love the shorts because like I said, I'm trying to get some color to my skin, and I'll show you guys what I use in the Jeep to enhance my natural tan. So Lego. And I just showered my hair and threw it up in a bun. Oh, I actually want to try out this ombre spray that's activated by the UV rays, like the sunlight, to naturally lighten your hair. Should we put that in our hair and see if it does anything? I think I'm gonna do that. Sorry if you hear my washing machine going. I was doing some laundry, but I have this Way, what is it called? Son of a Beach ombre spray. I got it from a Way event. I'll leave it linked down below, hashtag not sponsored. But I feel like this is like the perfect time to try it out since the sun is actually out and shining. Can't go 50-50 with no hope. I'm just gonna like spray it all over my bun, I guess. I mean, I don't really know. I love the packaging though. It has like this really cool holographic look. I might keep this in the car too if it works today because I literally have so much sun care stuff in the car that what's another product to add to the list. But if you guys have ever tried this out, let me know. I would never, ever, 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 ever in my life dye or bleach or color my own natural hair, which is why I love wigs. I can change up my style that way. But I feel like this is something that is more gentle since it's just activated by the sunlight. So I'll keep you guys posted on this. I'm gonna show you guys what I already put on, but I might put a little bit more. I told you guys at home when I was showing you my outfit of the hike that we're trying to get some tan, we're trying to get some sun and some color. A natural tan is always better than a fake tan in my opinion. It's just much more even, it lasts longer, it's a little bit deeper, more bronze. And if you guys watched my Ulta haul for single ladies, the summer edition, you guys would have seen that I picked this up. So I'm testing it out today. I'll leave that video linked down below so you guys can go ahead and see all the fun goodies that your girl picked up for summertime. So this one is the Sun Bum, and it's a 15 SPF, and it's just their tanning oil, and it has coconut oil, avocado oil, green tea, aloe vera, gluten-free, paraben-free, hyperallergenic, cruelty-free, like all this really cool stuff, right? So I'm gonna try it out. It smells really good so far, and I'm usually out in the sun. Well, I can get my hikes done in like 30 minutes all the way around, but then sometimes I like to sit, you know, soak up some extra rays. So that's what we'll probably do today. Time to go work out. So I picked up some kombuchas on the way back. I stopped by Whole Foods today and they didn't really have the best selection of just health aid. I was kind of surprised. I've tried a bunch of their flavors before, and this one I actually had in the car. It's almost gone, and it's the Pink Lady Apple. This one tastes really good, probably in my top favorites. I also got 2 of the ginger and lemon. And this one is the California Grape. I don't think I've had this one before, but I like fruity kombucha, but I'm sure I'll enjoy them. So I'm gonna put these in the fridge and hop into the shower because your girl is a sweaty mess. This is about to conclude my entire summer day routine. Now I had to wash my hair again because I realized that that way ombre, son of a bronze, whatever the heck it's called, I linked it down below. It made my hair very sticky, but I did notice some areas of my hair were a little bit lighter. Obviously it's harder to tell now because my hair is wet, so I'm just throwing it up in a towel so I can blow dry it a little bit later. But I did want to show and share 2 masks that I'm loving, and this is the second one I already put on. So right after the shower, before I went ahead and moisturized, I applied my Peter Thomas Roth Firm X. And this is a really good exfoliating gel. It's super gentle. You definitely don't want to leave this on too long because I feel like it'll burn your skin, but you just exfoliate off basically all the dead layers. So I did that, rinsed it off, and then I applied my Glam Glow Super Mud just to really get in and unclog any pores and to, again, exfoliate the skin a little bit further. I love this. It's really great for acne-prone skin. So this has been like an OG favorite. So definitely check those out. But I just wanted to have a very chill day with you guys, do this vlog style and take you guys around with me throughout my morning, late morning, okay? And of course, show you guys what I do after my workout is done. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Click the bell to turn on the post notifications. Of course, give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys like chill videos like this. It's a little bit different, not voiced over. I kind of think it's more fun and personal, and I can like actually hang out with you guys here and show you guys some cool stuff that I'm loving and new things that I'm incorporating within my routines. I want to know from you guys in the comments, what did you guys do today? So be sure to share.